Ever wondered what it's like to live like royalty? Join us as we take you on a journey through Monaco, where yachts gleam, casinos beckon, and the jet-set lifestyle is a way of life. Here are the best things to do in Monaco. Number 1. Exotic Garden of Monaco. Jardin Exotique. Have a fun-filled experience at the Exotic Garden of Monaco. This entrancing garden is a vibrant showcase of tropical plants and rare species, boasting an impressive array of cacti and succulents. As you wander through this botanical paradise, get ready to be engrossed by the rich tapestry of colors and unique forms of these plants. The garden also treats visitors to amazing panoramic views encompassing the coastline and the Principality of Monaco. Locate the exceptional vantage point within the garden to admire the surrounding mountainous terrain. If you're into history and archaeology, the Monaco Museum of Prehistoric Anthropology awaits within the garden's embrace. Here, ancient artifacts and archaeological remnants from Monaco and neighboring regions are on display, showcasing the intriguing past of the area. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Monaco experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 2. Port Hercules and Fontvieille Harbor. Consider including the Port Hercules and Fontvieille Harbor to your Monaco itinerary for an unforgettable experience. Port Hercules, with its ancient origins, stands as a testament to Monaco's luxury. The deepwater port mirrors opulence and serves as a hub for international cruise ships. On the other hand, the Fontvieille Harbor offers a sanctuary for boats, its tranquil waters a refuge from the elements. Meandering through these ports opens doors to diverse experiences. You can stroll along Port Hercules waterfront to absorb its vibrant energy or lose yourself in the bustling ambience of Fontvieille Harbor's marina. The sight of magnificent yachts lining the docks in both these locations paints a picturesque scene of maritime splendor. Number 3. The Japanese Garden. Monaco. The Japanese Garden is a serene escape that harmoniously blends Japanese and Mediterranean styles. A visit here promises moments of contemplation and connection with nature's beauty, making it a must-see when in Monte Carlo. Spread across 1 acre, this oasis, crafted by famed landscaper Yasuo Beppu, offers respite from the urban bustle. With mountains, waterfalls, and a meditative Zen garden, it's a place of calm. Wander its pathways to soak in the soothing ambience, appreciating the fusion of natural elements. You can enjoy various activities during the visit, like exploring the Japanese tea house to experience traditional tea ceremonies and learn about their cultural significance. Number 4. Monaco Naval Museum. Delve into the maritime history and heritage of the region at the Monaco Naval Museum, an institution with roots dating back to 1910 when Prince Albert I of Monaco laid its foundation. Set against a backdrop of impressive architecture and a picturesque locale, it has become a favorite destination for visitors seeking an enriching blend of historical enlightenment and scenic beauty. Its interiors house an array of meticulously crafted model ships, intricate maritime paintings, and an assortment of nautical artifacts, collectively narrating the evolution of naval architecture and the seafaring ethos. Take the time to uncover the exhibits meticulously curated to chronicle Prince Albert's devotion to marine sciences and his pivotal role in advancing oceanic research. Number 5. Monaco Grand Prix. Monaco Grand Prix is an unparalleled sporting event that transforms the picturesque city into a high-speed spectacle, making it a sought-after destination for thrill-seekers and jet-setters. This annual Formula One motor racing event, established in 1929, holds an esteemed place in the hearts of motorsport enthusiasts globally. The circuit of Monaco's streets serve as a challenging track, intertwining tradition, an electrifying atmosphere, and the thrill of speed. The race unfolds in late May or early June, perfectly aligning with Monaco's opulent aura. Beyond the roar of engines and screeching tires, you can envelop yourself in the allure of luxury, soaking up the sun-drenched glamour that characterizes this locale. Number 6. The Prince of Monaco's Car Collection. Collection de Voitures. You'll love the unparalleled automotive experience at the Prince of Monaco's Car Collection, especially if you're a car enthusiast. This museum spans an expansive 37,600 feet superscript 23, 500 square meters, housing an impressive assembly of approximately 70 vehicles. You will be enthralled by the exclusive luxury cars meticulously hand-picked by the prince himself. From opulent classics to vintage marvels, these automobiles provide a captivating journey through the evolution of automotive design and technology. Number 7. Fort Antoine Theatre. Originally built in the 18th century, Fort Antoine in Monaco has undergone a fascinating transformation into an enchanting open-air theater. This historical fortress was meticulously reconstructed in 1953 under the guidance of Prince Rainier III, preserving its architectural heritage. Today, the Fort Antoine Theatre stands as a venue for a diverse array of cultural events and performances throughout the summer months. With a seating capacity accommodating up to 350 attendees, this unique theater blends historical ambience with modern artistic experiences. The theater's location offers lovely views of the Mediterranean Sea, enhancing the enchantment of every performance. Number 8. Larvado Beach. Don't leave Monaco without visiting Larvado Beach, an ideal spot for beach lovers. This beautiful coastline offers a tranquil ambience and pristine waters that are perfect for swimming enthusiasts. The clear blue sea gently laps against the soft, golden sands, inviting you to unwind under the sun's warm embrace. Along the shore, well-maintained walking paths beckon for leisurely strolls, allowing you to take in the beautiful Mediterranean views. You can also relax by the beachside at the comfortable sunbeds and umbrellas available for rent. Number 9. The Oceanographic Museum Monaco. Welcome to the Oceanographic Museum Monaco, where an exploration of Prince Albert I's enduring marine science and conservation legacy awaits. This museum promises an enthralling adventure into the realm of marine life. Delve into an engrossing display of over 1,000 artifacts, ranging from ancient fossils to pioneering diving equipment and treasured marine literature. The highlight is the renowned Oceanomania exhibit, a trove of marine marvels showcasing the world's largest collection dedicated to the sea's mysteries. To fully enjoy this place, uncover the meticulously curated assemblages featuring starfish, seahorses, jellyfish, rays, and sharks, all within stunningly recreated habitats. Number 10. St. Nicholas Cathedral. Cathedral de Monaco. St. Nicholas Cathedral is the perfect place for anyone seeking profound religious and historical experiences. Built in 1875, it showcases striking white stone from La Turbie, and its Roman Byzantine architectural style adding charm and uniqueness. Dedicated to St. Nicholas and consecrated in 1911, it sits on the site of Monaco's first parish church from 1252. The cathedral also serves as the final resting place for former princes and princesses of Monaco, infusing it with regal significance. While you're there, explore this interesting piece of history, marvel at its intricate architecture, and take in the spiritual ambience. Also, try to engage in quiet contemplation within its hallowed halls or simply soak in the rich heritage it encapsulates. Number 11. Monte Carlo Casino Square. Enjoy the architectural opulence of the Monte Carlo Casino Square, a glittering gem basking in the Mediterranean sun. This alluring destination, distinguished by its lavish Belle Époque design, is encircled by opulent hotels that cater to refined tastes. The highlight of the square is the renowned Monte Carlo Casino, a mecca for anyone seeking extraordinary gambling thrills and a lavish ambience. Beyond gaming, the square is also home to the prestigious Monte Carlo Opera, where guests can indulge in world-class performances, and the Monte Carlo Ballet Offices, a magnificent construction showing the artistic heart of the city. Number 12. The Prince's Palace of Monaco. Discover the Prince's Palace of Monaco, a historical gem that stands as an emblem of the city-state. Initially erected in 1191 as a fortress, the palace seamlessly melds various architectural styles, echoing its eventful past. Perched atop the Rock of Monaco, the palace offers unparalleled vistas of the Mediterranean shoreline. Its strategic locale presents you with sweeping views of cerulean waters, alongside the opportunity to delve into centuries-old historical marvels ensconced within its walls. Number 13. Rock of Monaco. Le Rocher. Make the Rock of Monaco your starting point as you explore Monaco. Soaring proudly 200 feet 62 m above the Mediterranean Sea, this majestic cliff presents an impressive monolith offering panoramic vistas of Monaco's coastline. This historic district, referred to as Monaco Ville, encompasses the Prince's Palace and exudes the captivating essence of the old town's allure. As you stroll through the charming labyrinthine streets, you'll discover hidden gems like the Monaco Cathedral and the Oceanographic Museum, each contributing to the area's historical tapestry. Indulge in local flavors at bistros tucked along cobbled alleys, savoring Mediterranean cuisine. You can also engage with the community and uncover stories from locals, adding a personal touch to your exploration.